Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a farm in Lego Fortnite. Now, there are a few things that you will be needing. First, you will be needing the seeds that you're going to plant in that farm, and then you will be needing soil, and in the end, and if you have a grain mill over here, the things will be much faster because that can create seeds and plants for you. So to get soil, all you need is a shovel. So by using the shovel, you can get soil, as you can see right over here. And lastly, you will be needing fertilizers. So it's very easy. Just simply go near any animal group that you can find on the map, and they will usually drop fertilizers. So just simply wait around and they should give fertilizers in a bit. So after you get the fertilizers, all you have to do is go to utility and place garden plot over here. So after you get your garden plots ready, just simply hold E and plant the seeds. Then click on deposit stack. And then do this for all of the crops that you have. And then just simply add a fence around it, and then your farm is ready. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.